In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so your account reflects the email address you want to use. This is helpful if you've switched inboxes, simplified your login, or just want everything going to a single place you check regularly. Start by opening Substack. You can do this in a web browser or the app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're on the account you want to update so the change applies to the right profile. Next, look for the More option in the bottom left corner of the screen. On desktop, this is typically part of the left sidebar. It may appear as a word, a small menu, or an icon with additional options. Clicking More opens up a set of controls that aren't always visible at first glance. From there, click Settings. This takes you into your account's configuration area where you can manage personal details and preferences. If you have more than one publication or profile, verify that you're in the correct settings section for your account email. Inside Settings, locate your current email and click Edit on the email. This is usually indicated by an Edit button or a small pencil icon next to your address. Clicking Edit will make the email field active so you can change it. Depending on your security settings, you might see a gentle reminder about keeping your details up to date. Now, click your new email by selecting the email field and entering the address you want to use. Take a moment to type it carefully. Typos are the most common reason changes don't work as expected. It's best to use an email you can access right away, and ideally, one you'll keep for a while to avoid future updates. Finally, click Save. Substack will apply your change and let you know if everything looks good. If you see a message about the address already being in use, choose a different email. After saving, your login may use this new email going forward, so remember which one you entered. Some users may also see on-screen prompts related to confirming changes. Just keep an eye on any notices Substack provides. That's it. You opened Substack, went to More, opened Settings, edited the email field, entered your new address, and saved. If you ever need to adjust it again, you'll know exactly where to go. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double-check that your new email is spelled correctly, so future updates and newsletters arrive without a hitch.